Hey guys, it's Kurt and today I'm going to be showing you how I made this so super cute, oh my god, little spooky Halloween apron. I actually needed an apron at last minute because a lot of stuff's been going on this past couple of weeks and I just kind of I completely forgot that I had to start class tomorrow and it's a ceramics class, so we all need to have aprons. And I really didn't want to go to the store and buy like a pre-made kind of generic looking apron right now because it's like fall time. They probably have one with like scarecrows on it, and scarecrows are cool, but like in general making your own custom things just feels so great. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I made this. All you need is a t-shirt, some Halloween material, some scissors, and a hot glue gun. That's all you guys need. But anyway, if you guys want to see how I made this apron, go ahead and stay tuned. And also, I might be giving one of these away, so stay tuned for that afterwards. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is cut a line straight across the neckline of the t-shirt. I'm completely removing the collar part of the shirt. Now, you don't have to cut a clean raw edge. We're going to go ahead and fix that later on in the DIY. But now, you want to make sure you measure out the top portion of the apron that we're going to create and make sure it suits your own personal measurements. Mine is going to be 7 inches across. Now I'm going to cut a diagonal line from the t-shirt starting at the armpits of the shirt and ending at the measurement I just made. Now we're going to cut the t-shirt into 2 identical pieces, removing the front of the shirt from the back of the shirt. Now I'm going to be using the back of the t-shirt as my apron. Now you can use a front design if you want, but I just want a solid black apron, so I'm going to use the back. Now I'm going to be folding the raw edges down onto the ugly side of the apron, and we are going to go ahead and take some of that hot glue and bond those down. Take your time with the hot glue. You don't want to end up burning yourself. I recommend using the nozzle of the hot glue gun to push the hems down. Now, taking some of that Halloween fabric from earlier, I'm going to go ahead and cut the straps of my apron out. These are going to be about 23 inches long, but you can do yours however long you want. I do recommend doing these straps a little bit thick. I ended up making mine too thin and I didn't really care about them being so straight, so mine look a little bit sloppy, but do yours as neat and as long as you desire. Now you can glue these in half the long ways too if you want. I only did this to the neck part of the apron, but yeah, it was kind of pointless. But if you want to do what I did, you can. And now all that's left to do is to glue the straps onto the apron. Now all that's left is to make the front pocket. Now my pocket is going to be 14 by 8 inches, but you can make yours as big or as small as you'd like. I just wanted a big pocket to be able to put a lot of my tools in that I use, but like I said, do as you please with yours. I'm also going to hot glue the raw edges of the pocket down as well, and then all that's left is to apply the pocket onto the apron. Make sure you're applying it to the proper front side of the apron as well. And you want to be very gentle with this application, because if you end up being messy with the hot glue, you'll end up having a hard time taking out the hot glue, especially on black fabric. It's kind of hard to get rid of that mistake. So yeah, don't do what I did. Just take your time with it. And once that hot glue is done drying, we are done. That is it. This is how I made my apron. I did end up adding a little compartment to hold my pens later on, but yeah, that's about it for this DIY. Super easy, and I hope you guys try this one out. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys found that video kind of informative. I hope it made sense at least, and I didn't lose some people there. But anyway, it only took like maybe, I think it was like 20 minutes just to do this whole thing. But like I said, super easy DIY, super easy to make, and you have a cute little customized apron at the end of the day. I am so excited for class. Like, I haven't taken this off all day, but except to do one video. I did like my wish video, which I don't know if I'm uploading before or after this. Oops, at least it's kind of like a hint if I did upload this first. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit like and subscribe if you guys want to see more content like this. And also, I do have a Depop and I have a Patreon if you guys want to check that out. It'll help me out a lot. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!